Warning: if you've ever felt uneasy after watching an AI-generated educational video, you need to pay attention. The alarming reality of biases in AI content is surfacing, posing a significant risk to your learning. You trust these sources for guidance, but how much do you really know about the hidden influences at play? Many are unaware that AI algorithms can subtly skew the information you receive. What if I told you that some popular courses are quietly reinforcing outdated biases? Picture this: you scrolling through tutorials, eager to learn, but what if those videos are omitting critical perspectives? The nature of AI often means it mirrors the biases of its creators. This is a serious concern. Imagine sitting in a class, absorbing knowledge that feels incomplete. You nod along, but something feels off. You might find yourself questioning, why is this concept presented this way? That nagging feeling is a warning sign you can't Here's the catch: algorithms don't just deliver content, they shape your understanding. What if the AI prioritizes views over accuracy? You could be missing essential information that challenges the status quo. This is a risk we must confront. Think back to your last learning experience. Did it challenge your beliefs or simply reinforce them? If you are only consuming the same type of content, are you truly learning? The tension mounts as you realize how easy it is to fall into this trap. So, what can you do? Start questioning your sources and the narratives they present. Seek out diverse viewpoints and don't let algorithms dictate your learning experience. The more you explore, the more you'll uncover the biases in what you consume. The more you'll uncover why could more you. Remember, knowledge should empower you, not limit you. Are you ready to confront uncomfortable truths? Challenge yourself to think critically. Your education depends on it. Have you ever felt that nagging doubt about an online course? That sense that something isn't quite right, but you can't put your finger on it? You're not alone. Many of us are grappling with the uncomfortable reality of biases in AI-generated educational content. Imagine enrolling in what seems like the perfect introductory course. You dive in, but instead of gaining insight, you feel overwhelmed. Instead of gaining, it's easy to blame yourself, thinking maybe this just isn't for you. But what if there's something bigger at play? Reflect on the last few courses you took. Were they engaging, or did they feel dull and uninspiring? You might recall a flashy video or a charismatic presenter, yet somehow you found yourself zoning out. Many courses are created by algorithms that prioritize engagement metrics over genuine learning experiences. Those eye-catching visuals can mask a lack of meaningful content. Remember, AI doesn't fully grasp the complexities of human learning, and that's a significant issue. Now, picture this: you're watching a tutorial that promises to teach you an essential skill. The first few minutes seem promising, but then you hit a wall. The explanations become confusing, leaving you feeling lost and frustrated. What went wrong? It's likely that the A overlooked key elements that make learning effective. The BSs in A often lead to a one-size-fits-all approach. If the content does match your unique learning style, you might feel adrift. Have you ever felt like the course was designed for everyone but you? So, why is this being addressed? Perhaps it's because we're all too eager to embrace the convenience of technology. We rush to sign up without questioning the quality of the content. It's a trap that often goes unnoticed until we're deep in frustration. As you navigate these courses, take a moment to reflect. Are you truly engaging with the material or just going through the motions? If something feels off, trust that instinct. That discomfort might indicate that the content is connecting with you. What can you do? First, be selective. Be selective. Look for courses created by real people with experience in the field. Read reviews and seek out opinions. If you find yourself struggling, don't hesitate to change direction. Your education should empower you, not leave you feeling defeated. In this fast-changing landscape, remember it's perfectly okay to question the content you consume. Your learning journey is personal, and you deserve a path that feels authentic. As you move forward, let that thought guide you. Choose wisely, and don't settle for anything less than what you truly need. The next time doubt creeps in, pause and ask yourself, is this course designed for me? That question could change everything. What if I told you that every time you take an online course, there's a hidden bias shaping your learning experience? It might sound unsettling, but it's true. You might think you're simply soaking up knowledge, but the structure of a course can influence your thoughts and beliefs in ways you might not even notice. For instance, imagine choosing a course on personal finance only to discover the instructor's subtle biases woven into the lessons. You could start questioning not just what you're relearning, but why it's being taught that way. These biases often sneak into AI-generated content, creating a learning environment that appears neutral but isn't. Have you ever wondered why some topics are emphasized while others are overlooked? Picture yourself in a programming boot camp. If the curriculum leans heavily towards certain programming languages, it might unconsciously guide you toward a specific mindset. What if you wanted to explore something different? The tension arises when you realize these biases can limit your perspective and stifle your creativity. You're not just acquiring a skill, you're being shaped by unseen influences. So, what can you do about it? Consider approaching every course with a critical mindset. Actively seek out diverse perspectives and challenge conventional views. The uncomfortable truth is that the world of AI-generated educational content is still evolving, and we need to grow with it. Awareness is your first step. As you navigate this landscape, remember that every choice you make can either reinforce or challenge these biases. Take a moment to reflect on your learning journey. What narratives are you accepting without question? Next time you jump into an online course, pause and think about the biases that might be influencing your experience. Remember, you're not just a learner, you're